Sorkar Shimti ke NPP banyalam ke Executive Committee Khadc hakini kisan banai AA ka sorkar jala kala ai pisa Kumba san phosan Klur tingkah. Ya kani laong umentri rangba ka jala ukan rat ke sangma mentaka ar phau ar tarik no pra arja ar phau lai. Habakran haga jingalang kerku Christmas bat senam thamai ka balapan long ka KHADC haphalau ka council. Umentri rangba ulaong baka sorkar jala bat ka district council kia lang senrap banwan ra ka jingbit jingbiang ka council bat ka jaj benriu. Hakani ka program la sakhilang u CEM uba Pyniaid sing CEM u deputy CEM ba penshengan NCM nalor ki EM kinong tray ka KHADC.
That this is the first time that I have been invited here for a pre-Christmas celebration, but I am also told that this is the first time you are actually celebrating it also. So I think this is a great beginning, and it's very, very apt that we are celebrating Christmas. We all know that the architect of the district council, late JJM Nicholas Roy, was himself a person who was a very strong believer. And today the fact that KHADC is also hosting the pre-Christmas and advanced Christmas, I think is a really great way of bringing the district council and also the Christmas and Christianity also together. So it's a great way, and I do congratulate the CEM for this particular program, and I do take this opportunity to really wish all of you an advance Merry Christmas and a very, very Happy New Year. Also, I take this opportunity to share with you that the state government and the district councils have been really working very, very closely, especially in the last few months since Pyniaid has taken over as CEM. We are working very closely for different reforms, different financial issues. If I'm not wrong and if my numbers are correct, I don't remember the exact number, but in a matter of last 4 months or 5 months, almost about close to 50 crores, about 42 or 45 crores has been released to the Khadc Autonomous District Council. And this has been possible because of the continuous work and efforts by the EC led by your CEM, who I must say is very, very persistent. And he will always follow up and ensure that whatever is good for the council, whatever is the right of the council, and whatever is good for the employees of the council, he does take a lot of interest in it. And because of his leadership today, we are seeing many things move forward. Just recently, there were some proposals that were sent to Delhi for certain developmental projects through the councils, and we have received a very positive response from Government of India, that Government of India is keen to do those projects. I don't want to go into details of those because they are yet to be officially sanctioned, but I'm very sure that we will see many, many development projects and programs coming in the council's way because of the EC that is working very hard in Delhi, and we are also pushing very hard to ensure that different development projects come through the autonomous district councils. At the same time, I think there are some other funds that are there that are yet to be released from Delhi. For those also, the district council and the finance department and the state government are working very closely. At the same time, I would like to take this opportunity to also mention here that it is very important that the district councils and the state government and the different departments, we always work together, because at the end of the day, we are all here to serve the people of our state. We are here to serve and to work for our people and for the state, and hence we may have different responsibilities in different areas, but at the end of the day, our objective is the same. And hence today we are working very closely, but I hope that in the future, in many other ways, we will continue to work together for the benefit of the people and for the benefit of our state. So once again, I thank you for having invited me here.